If you're looking to improve your cooking or portion control, a top-rated food scale can make all the difference. Today, we're doing a quick but thorough food scale review of some of the best models out there to help you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. I'm super interested to hear which features you find most important in a food scale, so feel free to share your thoughts as we go along. Starting off with the OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Food Scale, you'll immediately notice its sleek design that fits beautifully into any modern kitchen. The stainless steel surface isn't just about looks, it's incredibly durable and easy to clean, giving you a hygienic workspace every time you use it. When you place ingredients on the scale, the smooth platform ensures stability, so you get accurate readings without worrying about spills or slips. The pull-out display is a thoughtful feature that allows you to read measurements easily, even when you're using large bowls or containers that might otherwise block your view. When you start weighing ingredients with the OXO Good Grip scale, you'll appreciate the precision it offers. It measures in increments as small as 1 gram or 0.1 ounce, which is ideal for recipes that require exact amounts. The tare function is responsive and lets you reset the weight to 0 after placing your container, so you're always measuring just the food. This scale also supports multiple units, including grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters, making it versatile whether you're baking, cooking, or portioning liquids. The scale's overall build quality and user-friendly features make it a reliable companion for daily use. You'll find that the scale powers on quickly and turns off automatically to conserve battery life, so you're never caught off guard by a dead scale mid-recipe. The compact size means it stores easily in a drawer or cabinet without taking up much space. Using this great food scale, you're set for consistent results that help you maintain portion control or follow nutritional plans with confidence. Moving on to the Escali Primo Digital Kitchen Scale. This model is known for its consistent accuracy and straightforward design. The Escali Primo's platform is made from durable plastic that is easy to wipe clean, and its non-slip feet keep it steady on your countertop, which means you don't have to worry about it moving while you're measuring. When you step on the scale or place ingredients, the response is instant, giving you immediate feedback on your measurements. The Escali Primo offers a generous 11-pound capacity, which is perfect whether you're measuring small spices or larger portions of meat and produce. The precision is reliable down to 1 gram or 0.05 ounces, so you can trust it for both cooking and dietary tracking. Switching between units is simple, allowing you to toggle between grams, ounces, pounds, and kilograms with just a press of a button, which is especially useful if you follow recipes from different countries or need to measure liquids and solids alike. One of the benefits you'll enjoy with the Escali Primo is its ease of use. The scale has a clear, easy-to-read LCD display that shows measurements in large digits, reducing eye strain during busy cooking sessions. It also features a tare function that resets the weight instantly, so you can layer ingredients or measure them individually without any hassle. The battery life is impressive, and the scale automatically powers off after inactivity, ensuring it's ready whenever you need it without draining power unnecessarily. This model stands out as a top-rated food scale for those who want reliable performance without complication. If you've tried the Escali Primo or something similar, I'd be genuinely curious to know how it worked out for you. Next, let's explore the GreaterGoods Digital Food Kitchen Scale, which combines practicality with a clean, modern aesthetic. The scale's platform is made of tempered glass, which not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, but also makes cleaning effortless. You can wipe away any spills or crumbs quickly without worrying about damaging the surface. The glass surface is also resistant to scratches, so it stays looking new even after extended use. When you use the GreaterGoods scale, you'll notice the smooth weighing experience it provides. It measures with increments as fine as 1 gram or 0.05 ounces, allowing for a precise portion control and recipe accuracy. The scale's capacity is 11 pounds, which is ample for most kitchen needs, from weighing flour for baking to portioning out protein for meal prep. Switching units is seamless, and the tare function lets you subtract the weight of containers, so you're always measuring just the food. The scale's design includes an easy-to-read backlit LCD display that remains visible even in low light, which is particularly handy if you cook early in the morning or late at night. The buttons are intuitive and responsive, making the scale simple to operate even if you're multitasking. Overall, using this great food scale gives you a sense of precision and control, helping you stay consistent with your cooking and dietary goals. Now, turning to the Etekcity Digital Kitchen Food Scale, you'll find a model that offers excellent value without compromising on accuracy or features. The scale features a stainless steel platform that is both sturdy and hygienic, offering a smooth surface that's easy to clean and maintain. This material choice also means the scale resists stains and odors, so it stays fresh even after weighing aromatic ingredients like spices or herbs. With the Etekcity Scale, you get precise measurements down to 1 gram or 0.1 ounce, which is ideal for recipes that demand exact quantities. Its capacity reaches up to 11 pounds, so you can weigh everything from small amounts of nuts to larger cuts of meat. The tare function is quick and reliable, letting you reset the weight to 0 after placing your bowl or plate, so you can measure multiple ingredients in one container without any fuss. One of the standout features of this scale is its rechargeable battery, which means you won't have to keep buying replacements. The scale also boasts a water-resistant design, making it more durable in kitchen environments where spills and splashes are common. The LCD display is large and clear, and the buttons respond instantly, allowing you to switch units with ease. Using this scale, you can expect a blend of convenience, precision, and durability that supports your cooking and nutrition tracking effortlessly. This food scale comparison clearly shows why it's a favorite among budget-conscious cooks. Finally, let's take a look at the Nicewell Food Scale, which is an impressive choice if you want a blend of modern technology and user-friendly features. The scale's platform is crafted from brushed stainless steel, giving it a sleek, professional look while ensuring it's tough enough to handle daily kitchen use. The surface is smooth and easy to clean, so you can quickly wipe away any residue after weighing sticky or wet ingredients. When you start measuring with the Nicewell scale, you'll appreciate its high-precision sensors that deliver readings accurate to 1 gram or 0.05 ounces. The scale supports multiple units, including grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters, making it versatile for a variety of cooking and food scale comparison needs. This flexibility means you can easily switch between weighing dry ingredients and measuring liquids without needing a separate tool, streamlining your kitchen workflow. The Nicewell Food Scale also features a large backlit LCD display that stays bright and clear, even in dim lighting conditions. This makes it easy to read your measurements at a glance, whether you're cooking early in the morning or late at night. The tare function is highly responsive, allowing you to reset the scale to 0 instantly after placing your container, so you can layer ingredients with precision. The scale's slim profile and lightweight design mean it won't take up much space on your countertop or in your kitchen drawers, making it a practical choice for kitchens of all sizes. Another benefit you'll notice with the Nicewell scale is its quick response time and stability. The sensors are finely tuned to provide consistent results without fluctuation, so you can trust the numbers you see. The scale powers off automatically after a period of inactivity to conserve battery life, but it powers on immediately when you place an item on it, making it ready to go whenever you need it. This combination of accuracy, ease of use, and thoughtful design makes the Nicewell Food Scale a top contender for anyone serious about precision in the kitchen. Overall, using the Nicewell Food Scale will give you confidence in your measurements, whether you're following a strict recipe, tracking your macronutrients, or portioning meals for health reasons. Its robust build quality, combined with user-friendly features, ensures it performs reliably day after day, helping you maintain consistency and control in your cooking and dietary habits. This food scale review highlights why it's a favorite among home cooks who want both style and substance. I'm genuinely curious, have you found a food scale that really changed the way you cook or track your meals? I'd love to hear about your experience. To wrap things up, each of these food scales brings something unique to the table, from the premium build and pull-out display of the OXO Good Grips to the budget-friendly precision of the Etekcity and the sleek, modern versatility of the Nicewell. Whether you prioritize design, accuracy, durability, or ease of use, you'll find a great food scale here that fits your kitchen and lifestyle perfectly. And while I remember, if you want to see the current prices or learn more about each model, check out the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you find the best food scale for your needs.